Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm excited to share these products with you. One of them is very, very limited, and once it's gone, it is gone for good. And a lot of you have requested this one, so I'm glad we got it in. And it is one of our new wax seals, limited edition. It does come with a handle. Now, the nice thing about this one is, yes, it comes with a handle, but the handle coordinates because it is a sandcastle. Perfect for summertime. Now, here we go. I have two cute little samples I want to show you because I've already done them. I've already been playing because they're so much fun. But look at how fun those are. Aren't those awesome? I absolutely love them. Now, that's one item. And again, very, very limited. Once it's gone forever. Another item that I know those of you that love the holidays forever, the families forever, all of those fun stamp sets that coordinate the words and they're all the same size, all the same font. Well, there are some words that I couldn't put into a stamp set. So I came out with an alphabet set. So all of those personalizations that you want to make with people's names, boom, now you can. And the best part is it's going to coordinate with the other stamp sets you already have. So you can say people's names or you can say anything you want with the same font as the stamps you already have. I did do a lot of fun things here. So I added a whole bunch of A's, 4 A's. I added 3 B's, 3 C's, because there's nothing worse than having a name like Kirsten with 2 I's and you don't have enough stamps and you have to stamp it twice. So I have enough stamps to do her whole name one time. Isn't that awesome? I know, it's just one stamp and I'm done. So it's really awesome. So that is now available on our website. Also, we released, and technically these colors are not new, but this package is new. This is what we're calling the vintage set of cardstock. It has lots of our newer colors in it as a combo pack, which is really nice because chances are maybe you didn't know if you wanted that 24 sheets of that color, but now you can just get a few sheets of that color, right? So here we go. You get 4 sheets of each one. We're getting berry. We're getting sage. Look how pretty that is. Oh, we are getting sunset and sunflower. We're getting twig, and one of my favorites is that slate. Now, all of these are in the pack. You're getting 4 of each sheet, and it's kind of nice because sometimes you just don't need 24 of a color. Now you can get this, and you'll have just enough for each color that you need. So check that out as well. My friends, you know the deal if you're a club member. Club members get 15 to 20% off our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Well, what if something's on flash sale? Oh yeah, not only do you get the flash sale price, you also get your club discount as well. Stack those discounts to save even more. It's pretty awesome. If you're not a club member, go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. You can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.